Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about the trend or the property of valency. How valency shows and what kind of behavior is shown by valency in a group as well as a period. First of all, what do you mean by valency? Valency is the combining capacity of an element. How it combines? Either an element loses an electron or it gains an electron. It loses an electron or gains an electron. For what? Just to complete the octet. Complete the octet and attain inert gas configuration. Attain nearest inert gas configuration. Fine. This is the concept of valency. For example, sodium. Atomic number is 11. So the configuration is, what is the configuration of the electrons present in sodium? They can be arranged like this: 2, 8, 1. Now this one electron is making it unstable. So to attain stability, what it does, it loses this electron, and it gets a positive charge on it. So it means now the number of electrons are 2, 8. When it has lost one electron, what will happen? It is having 10, 11 protons. So more protons, how many protons more? 1 proton more. So it will get one positive charge. And the number of electrons present in sodium are 2, 8. Okay. So the valency is 1. Fine. Now, if I discuss about like sodium has lost to Na plus. Now electronic configuration is 2, 8. Now, to whom it is similar? To which element? Is it neon? Neon has 10 electrons, 2, 8. So it has attained similar configuration, electronic configuration as of neon, and it has become stable now by losing one electron. Clear? Now let us take one more example. Just like chlorine. Electronic number is 17. Configuration is 287. How many electrons it requires to complete the octet? It requires +1. Okay, it requires 1 electron. If it gets 1 electron, so the configuration would become 288. How many electrons have increased? 1. How many total protons? 17. How many electrons? 18 after taking 1 electron. So it is having 1 negative charge on it. Okay. So the valency becomes -1. And now which element's configuration is similar to this chloride atom? Iron. It is argon or Ar, and atomic number is 18. And the configuration is 288. So nearest inert gas configuration. Okay. So to become stabilized, they lose the elements, they lose the electrons or gain the electrons. Fine. This is the concept of valency. Now let us see what is the trend, how it varies in a group as well as in a period. So first of all, let us discuss about group. Okay. First group. We will take, okay, now we are not going to take first group, we will take second group. Group 2. Okay. Like it starts from beryllium Fine. Then after beryllium it is magnesium, then calcium. We will take only 3, not more than that. What is the atomic number 4? It is 12. It is 20. Okay. Now, how many electrons present? Configuration 2, 2. 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 8, 2. So, how many electrons outside? In the outermost shell? 2. How many electrons it can lose to attain nearest inert gas configuration? It is 2. It can lose 2. It can also lose 2. So, what do we see in a group? What do we find? When we move down the group, okay, from top to bottom in a group, what is observed? The valency remains same. Remains same. Is it okay? When we move in a group from top to bottom, valency remains same. Is it okay? So this is how we can explain about the concept of valency in a group. Now, this was in a group that valency remains same when we move from top to bottom. Now, what about period? What happens in a period? Variation of valency in a period. Okay, how it varies in a period. When we move from left to right in a period, what is the variation of valency? Let us see. Again, we are going to arrange some elements of one particular period. Let us take second period, sorry. Lithium, beryllium, then comes boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and then neon. Atomic number, it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now what is the configuration? 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. Is it okay? This is how we can show the electronic configuration. Now let us see. When we move from left to right, what is happening? This electron, one electron can be lost and it will become similar to helium, inert gas configuration of helium. Now, and it will be stabilized also. What about this beryllium? It can lose 2 electrons and attain a positive 2 character. So, +1, +2. What about boron? In case of boron also, it can lose 3 electrons and become or can carry the inert gas configuration as same as helium. Now, what about carbon? In case of carbon, if it loses 4 electrons, then it will become unstable. Or if it gains 4 electrons to complete the octet, then also it becomes unstable. Why? The number of electrons would be 2 in case it loses 4 electrons. But protons would be how many? Protons would be 6. So there is a very big difference and it will make it unstable. So neither it loses nor it gains. Valency remains 4. Fine. Now in case of nitrogen, what happens in case of nitrogen? To lose 5 electrons is quite difficult. Okay, because it will become unstable. There will be a very large variation in the number of negative charges and the number of positive charges. If it loses 5 electrons, how many electrons left? 2. Okay, so protons would be 7, so it will become unstable. So the better way is to take 3 electrons and complete the octet and become similar to neon. So the valency is -3. What about oxygen? How many electrons? 6 electrons. How many it can take? 2 electrons it can take. So it becomes 2. What about fluorine? 1 electron. What about neon? It is 0. It is completely stable in its own way. Okay. So now what is the trend in a period? When we move from left to right, what is actually happening? first the valency is increasing till 4 and after that it is decreasing. So what we can say? We can say that when we move from left to right, or on moving from left to right in a period, the number of valence electron increases, or we can say the valency increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases from 4 to 0. Okay, so this is the variation that is observed in a period. Okay, the property is valency, and how it varies in a group. In a group it remains same, but in a period when we move from left to right, the valency first increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases from 4 to 0 when we move from left to right. Okay, so this was about valency. Okay, so this was the property of valency that we have discussed. I hope everyone has understood.